Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Musical Podcast! Kasama niyo ako, yung pinaka maliksing agila dito, si Luna Lily Love. And today, I would like to greet who's commenting inside my podcast. So, let's get started. I'm excited. Gusto ko talagang basahin to. Siyempre, nag-comment sa akin si DJ Sting. Dahil dun sa dun sa third episode ng musical podcast. So, it says, Hi Luna, I came across your YouTube channel and instantly felt your passion for music. It's truly something special. Thank you for sharing that love and for enjoying the sounds across the decades. Keep dancing, keep vibing, and never let... Ay, sorry. Never stop. Mu- Ay, napulol. Never stop letting the music move you. As we always say on Decades of Sounds with DJ Sting, music doesn't age, it evolves. Every decade has a heartbeat, and when you feel it, you're connected to every moment that came before. Oh, diba? Siyempre, thank you so much. Ako lang nauna naka-heart ng comment. So, time check, 55 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening tonight. Sabi daw, paagahan na natin. Sige na nga, paagahan na natin. Bakit kaya? Siyempre, pag slow jam Mondays, we need to sit back, relax, or keep your headphones plugged in. Siyempre, whether you're on the gym, going on to the treadmill, or no, hindi kasama sa gym time ang music. Kasi baka mahirapan ka talaga. Anyways, I'll have to sing one more song before Decades of Sounds will definitely start soon. So, yeah. Anyways, just wait for it. I have to play one more song before it starts.